Yeah. Alright, good. Okay. Right, John to Jamie, well, we are sourcing at the moment. Who's that? Is that someone at the end of the track there? Hit!
One right outside the window looking this way. And
yeah,
maybe...
I've got to come to you, I'm left-handed, so...
Okay.
Right, I'll give you cover.
Oh, you've got hostile contact.
Alright, okay, it's okay. Yeah, I see them, we'll keep them occupied. Right. Got it! Got him! Right, there's one left. All gone? Okay. Good stuff, lads. Well done. We're outraging him.
Right hand side of the window.
Right, okay. He'd probably see me before I see him. I see. Yeah, he's the guy that kept sneak back in. I think one of the guys only got a pistol. We're trading shots and neither of us are hitting each other.
Yeah, we're just holding a firefight with the radio at the moment. They've just got it reinforced. We've got a hostile in the village. We need to go and clear that out. Yeah, okay, mate. John, message over.
John receiving, go ahead.
Side of the comm shack. Can we get towards the village and be safe? Over.
Be south side. There's two in there. One's ducking in and ducking.
Push right and we'll be cut behind you. Back at bunker 2 with me. I don't know what to do with them because they're not gone.
Okay. Got him.